Hi guys! Today I'm going to make chicken enchilada, and this is my very own recipe. I created this a few years ago, and my husband and my daughter, they love it. So every year during my husband's birthday, this is the only food that he would want me to make, and it's pretty easy. It's a little work, but it's worth it. It's so delicious. So, come on, let's go and let's start cooking. Cook the chicken to get the broth, and then let it sit to cool it down.
Got any more of these nutter butters somewhere?
No, that's the only one I got. Chop all the ingredients while the chicken is cooling down. This one here that I'm chopping is the leek leaves that is from my husband's garden. After that, do the onion. This is how I make the sauce. First, melt the butter, and then gradually put the flour in, little at a time, so that it will be incorporated well. Put the black pepper in, then stir. Once it's well incorporated, you can put the broth that's from the chicken that I boiled, little at a time as well. Just continue stirring until all the broth is put in. Then just stir it more and let it boil. The sauce will be thick after it boils for a few minutes. Now you can put in the onion, the chopped onion. Next, put in the half a cup of sour cream. Just keep stirring until it's well blended, and that sour cream will just melt. And right now it smells good. Now I'm putting cumin. Yeah, you don't need a lot of this because this spice is very overpowering. So just keep stirring until it's well blended. I also put a little bit of thyme. Yeah, it adds flavor and smell. It has a really yummy smell. You know, in the Philippines, this can be a meal already. Just put it over rice and eat it, and it's a meal already because the sauce is really good. It tastes really good. This is done, and all I gotta do is put the chopped leek, and it will cook. I already turned the stove off. So this is the enchilada sauce. Next is let's get on the cooked chicken. I just have to flake it and then mix all the ingredients. Actually, it's faster if you just chop the cooked chicken, flake it first, and then chop into small pieces. Now let's combine the chicken and all its ingredients. Grate the cheese. I'm actually using the light cheddar cheese. Now let's put the sour cream. I actually don't have enough sour cream. You can put more if you want. But I would put more, but I don't have enough sour cream right now. And after this, let's put the cheese on, and then put the sauce on, and then just mix it well. For me, making this is really fun. So I hope you guys will try this recipe and you will not regret it. You can also add more salt and pepper, but it will be according to your taste. I usually taste it because the chicken is already cooked. And also the cheese is a little salty. It depends on you guys. Next of this is the wrapping. It's so easy. So I am making a big size of enchilada because I have a big size of tortilla. You can also make a small one if you have a small tortilla. But for me, I usually make a big one because my daughter and my husband can eat that big one piece. So I'm going to finish all the wrapping, and the last thing to do is the baking. All right. So put in there all the leftover sauce because it will be just absorbed later when baking. And my husband just love all the sauce to be in there. If you want it toasted more, you can bake it longer.